Hi everyone, it's Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. So it's been, oh my gosh, it's been forever since I've done a video. I'm so sorry. There's just time's got away with me. But I'm going to try to start doing some more here. So I wanted to show you, I just finished my sewing junk journal. And I don't think I've ever done a sewing one that's just mainly all about sewing and that sort of thing. So I just thought I'd come on and do a quick flip through of it. You know me, I start thinking, okay, I'm not going to make it as thick. I'm not going to make this big gator mouth, but I do. I don't know. I know there's I try to make a thicker, bigger, what am I trying to say? Piece here, because I knew I was going to put a lot in, but I just didn't do enough. So, maybe I should just do 2 signatures instead of 3. I don't know. I like them though. I like them kind of thick and chunky and that sort of thing. So, but anyways, so this junk journal, I did use a couple of different of my digitals. I used my newest one specifically for this, and as I go through, I'll tell you kind of what it is, and I'll link it down below so you can see. I used a lot of vintage materials, ephemera, and that sort of thing. So it was fun. I was trying to use up some of my stuff. I've just got so much stuff. I mean, buttons. I've got so many buttons, and I've never done this. I think it turned out cute. It's colorful, kind of brings in the color of this beautiful embroidered piece. This was like a table runner that was at the end, and so I just cut her out. She's on a swing, made it kind of like a little pocket here at the top, embellished with some little scissors, little flower, that sort of thing. Brought her around this side here. Whoops. Yeah, it's designed with love on the back. So let's go. Let's just start going through it. So this is part of my newest digital. I love it. It's got these antique sewing machines that are just so pretty with the flowers and that sort of thing. So I didn't do anything else here. This was just my material that I used. Then here, a bunch of ephemera, but I have a lot of old hankies. And this one was folded like this, and I thought, oh, perfect. Perfect pockets. So I just left it, put it on there, added some ephemera pieces here. Some more buttons. Tag. I used a lot of cards that I had, gift cards that I have that are sewing. Here's again from the kit. Little pocket. I used a lot of vintage sewing patterns and papers. These was from an old magazine for about crocheting lace. Another card. Then this here, this is from the kit here, this top piece, and I've just added that on there. Added the paper from the patterns on the back. This is also from my kit. Just kind of did a little flip here. Then I just kind of did a bunch of little clusters. This is from an old magazine. I always keep my old, when you buy clothes and you have your tags. This one's actually like a linen. It says Magnolia Grace. I don't know what I bought that had that on there, but I kept it. This is from my grungy sewing kit. So I did use some of those as well. Just kind of put it in there, sewed around. This is from the kit. It's really pretty paper. Love the colors, kind of shabby chic. Here's another hanky. This one wasn't folded like that, and I was trying to figure out how it was done, but I couldn't figure it out, so I just did a little flip. Little pocket here. These are actually greeting cards, old greeting cards that I had that look like patterns. And this here is just got buttons on it. I love this. I have a whole bolt of this. I got it at Hobby Lobby. Then I just made some fabric pockets here. You can see here, I did it. I'm not much of a sewer. I kind of just do like the basics. That's about all I can do, and even then it's not very good. But that's okay. That's a card there. A little button. It's got some buttons in it. More pages again. I just like that they're all just kind of torn and pattern pieces. Just gives a little texture. Old sewing pattern that I put in here. It's pretty stained up and all of that, but I liked it. Here's from that kit. A little waterfall tag. Little pocket here. This here's from my grungy sewing kit. I added in here. Just some fabric swatches. Some thread. This here's another pocket. Some old ephemera. Put some buttons on here. Little envelope. This here's some old material that I have. I honestly don't know what year it's from. I don't know if it's 60s, 70s. I don't think it's 50s, but I got a big bolt of it at a thrift store. And I hadn't used it yet, but it's just, you know, that old. Maybe somebody will know kind of what year that's from. And I just kind of did a tag here, some scrap material. This was kind of the flap of one of the pattern envelopes. Just a little belly band here. This here's a little sewing machine. Little tag here. Then this here, these are vintage, what do I want to say? Your collars that you sew on like dresses to make collars. I've got like 4 or 5 of these that I got, and just make pretty little pockets. And just some ephemera here. Just, you know, like we all do, we just kind of keep stuff that we find, throw into our ephemera. So that's one of those. And some for my kit. Here's the back page of that doily, or that crochet, excuse me. Just some more material. This is another greeting card. Love that. It's just simple. I didn't want to put anything on it. Here's the doily, an old doily book. Another gift card. Added a pocket here. Put those in. This is from my kit here. And I just did some scrap for writing on. And this here, these are napkins. I have 4 of them. So I have the pink, green, purple, and I think yellow. And they're just really pretty. Look how pretty that is, all crocheted with the girl there. So I just used that there. This here was from a table runner that was all done, and I just cut it up and took those parts off. Made a little tag here. Has the lady on there. Again, some clothes that I bought. Pocket here. Made a little side pocket. There's some ephemera in there. Yeah, I love these. So pretty. I'll flip. That's also from my kit, as well as that page there. A little pocket. These are those, you know, the rickrack material or ribbon that you get, you know, that's all jig-jaggedy. I always keep these because these are old. Look at 10 cents. I just stuck that in there. Some scrap material I had. This here's those potpourri envelopes that you get that has the potpourri in it you throw in your drawers. So when I'm done with them, I always keep them because they're always really pretty paper. And they make great little pockets. Plus it makes your journals smell good. And this here. It's a little card I had. Always have to have a little bling. This is an envelope. It has all sewing. Scissors and thread, buttons, that sort of thing. So when you flip it over, it's the envelope. You see the sewing machine and that sort of thing. You put some more buttons like this. I can't remember what these are called. Just put a little bit of thread around it. Kind of made it come out so it'll just stick right in there. Another part of my page there. Made a little belly band here. Little envelope. Some ephemera. Oops. It's not glued down on that side. I need to fix that. Some from the kit. Pretty. I love the colors. Here again is another tag from something I bought that I kept. It even had the little pin. I just threw that on there. Just added some of the pattern. Isn't this pretty? This is from a pattern as well. I just love the colors. Bizarre Crafts. I just love the blues. And then I had some material that just fit perfect that I just put right there. So I leave a lot of writing space and that sort of thing. I don't know if you could add too much more to this other than writing. There's that. A little pocket. Little envelope, little couple of fabric swatches in there. This here is another card. It says, thank you so, S-E-W much. I was going to put something over there, and I thought, no, I kind of like that, so I left that. And here's the rickrack packaging. Here's the rickrack. This is what I was referring to. So what I did is I just put that down there, made a pocket, made kind of like a little bookmark. But yeah, this is the rickrack. I have a whole bunch of this. I don't think in my lifetime I'll be able to use as much as I have. There's another card. Just added some material. Little Tim Holtz. Again for my kit. Embellishment there. This was a card that had fabric on it. Can't remember what it said here, if it said happy birthday, but I just put buttons there and just made a little flip. There's another tag. And so I took that rickrack, excuse me, this is the lace, old lace. When it comes in the little covers. So I just put that on there with the yellow, added this on there. Put a little about sewing here on the back. This here's from a card as well. I had a bunch of these. I used them. I can't remember what kit I used it in, but I used it in another kit of mine. But I love that. Look at that. For it, like a little knitting needles, and I just took it off and then put it on here. And then it says on here, there is a very fine line between hobby and mental illness. Isn't that the truth? And that was in the card. Hobnobbers. Okay, another pocket here, some more ephemera. Little envelope here. This has a needle, gold needle in there. This is from one of my another digital that I have. It's all beautiful gown dresses. I shrunk the size when I printed it out so I could put it in here. And then I just put some ephemera in here. Just a little flip. Here's a pocket. This is another piece that I had, an old piece. It actually is double this size, but I just cut it here to add it in here to make a pocket. Here's another tag. Some more material, McCall's, little pocket here, a little pocket here, and there's that. Okay, there it is. I hope you liked it, and I'll link down kind of what I used below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much. I've missed everybody. And hopefully I'm back here soon. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.